Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove a payment on DoorDash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a payment from your DoorDash, the best method is to simply open your app. So once you have opened the app itself, all you gotta do now is simply navigate to your profile. So your profile is basically on the top right hand side. So once you go there, you can simply scroll down below and tap on payments or payment method. So once you have done this as well, you will be leaded or redirected to the page where you have got all the payment method that you have selected, like your cards or PayPal and stuff like that. So now to remove a payment method on DoorDash, all you gotta do is simply swipe left on the payment method you want to remove and select the delete option. After doing this, you will be successful in removing a payment on DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and we will be back again really soon.